What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to this quick video. I just want to talk real quick. The thing that brings this topic up is I've been working on 3 different cars in the past 2 weeks, and I don't usually post like little things like, you know, maintenance and repairs because it is kind of boring. So 3 things are going on and all of them are pretty much the same, which is rear brakes that need maintenance or repairs. So you guys see this dirty Subaru real quick. This is the daily, the wifey's daily, and I just did the rear brake pads and the rotor. As you can see, it's really clean. You know, I did make a video on it, but I decided not to post it. I did this side and the other side. It was having basically issues making noise, and my car is usually parked over there. And what's going on with my car is the rear caliper on the driver's side was sticking off and on. It was having an issue where the rear calipers would be sticking, then all of a sudden it would just stop sticking. And this was off and on, but I'm really tired of it. So I bought a rear new caliper for that side. I'm pretty sure the other one is going to go sooner or later, but I'll deal with that when the time comes. So on that side, I'm getting brand new calipers, rotor, and brake pads for that side. I'm working on a different car today, which is still a Subaru, but let me show you what's going on. All these tools are out, but this is what I'm doing. Exactly the same thing as the other Subaru. So I'm getting new rotors. These aren't that bad, but you can see a little scoring right there. And the point of this video was because this, of all the years that I've done brake jobs, this is actually brand new to me. Even though that one is a 2014, this one is a 2016, I believe. And a 2-year difference, but they changed this whole setup. So the bracket was right here as usual. It does look a lot different than the other Subaru. And this is the whole caliper setup right here. So the caliper would be going like this. This is new to me right here. I haven't encountered any car like this, at least ones that I've worked on, which actually requires a 7mm Allen wrench right here to loosen up the bolt right here that sticks onto that bracket right there. So this was brand new to me, but I looked up one video and it only took me 30 seconds to figure out that, you know, this was just an Allen key, and then I can actually move on. The setup for the rotors is really pretty much the same. Like, this will pop out with like the rotor bolts. You just screw these in and it'll push out the rotor. And I'm sure for this setup it's almost exactly the same as all the others I've encountered. Just pretty much just push the piston back in. Here's something else new that I encountered. This little electronic plug that goes into this whole assembly right here. I think this is electronically controlled, where you press the e-brake and then it pushes the piston out to squeeze the pads for an e-brake setup. So that's what I've been working on in the past 2 weeks. 3 different cars, 3 of the almost the same exact repair or maintenance that has to be done. The main reason I'm making this video is just saying that over the years of learning how to do brakes, I was 90 or 100% all familiar with what's going on. And even if I wasn't, I still figured it out. So this mainly goes out to all the new people or all the newbies that, you know, are trying to learn how to wrench. Like, just keep at it, just keep learning, because all the experience and all the things that you learn from different cars moves on to the next. Like, it doesn't just go away. And because of all the years that I've been doing brake jobs, this is brand new to me, but yet I'm still able to make the repair. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Just wanted to talk real quick. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.